So with the 65-watt AC adapter plugged into here, when the computer comes up, it says you plugged in a lower power adapter, right? So if I shut it back off, I unplug this, I plug it back into here. So now I've got the AC adapter plugged in directly. Power it back up. Now it comes up just fine. This is not passing through all of the power. Not even 65 watts. We're not looking for 100 watt. This is a 65 watt adapter, and that's not passing through enough power to charge it. Okay.
Here's the instruction sheet with the specifications. It specifically says right here, I circled it, it passes through only 67 to 85 watts of power. It does say it supports a 100-watt charger, but even at the lowest level of 67 watts, it should be passing 65 watts through. It's not. Laptop says so. I will not even bother testing the monitors, the USB speed, or the Ethernet speed. It's not worth it. Do not buy this.